So,
हाँ सही है
Aryan Shabin on Young Adults.
yeah let's go.
How do you feel, bro? So, first thing.
I'm very
He's quite nervous right now.
Yeah, I think. I
no,
feel like-
I'm excited. I'm waiting for what's gonna happen because podcast बहुत देखे हैं.
Okay.
पहले बार
You've
कर
never
रहे हैं.
been on one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. पहले बार बात करेंगे.
Yeah, that's
देखते हैं,
crazy,
let's
bro.
see.
I mean, we had this plan since like a month.
Yeah.
Long
जब से
time,
हम
हाँ, जब से
बहुत
start
पहले
किया।
चालू
सोच
कर रहे,
रहे
I was like, bro, I gotta get Aryan on this, and it's finally happening, guys.
Yes.
So, it's crazy, bro. It's damn
Nice,
crazy.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah. So, समझावे.
Yes. समझा भी.
It went viral, bro.
It's going
I'm seeing the reels and all. It's very great. Like
and Spotify पे भी वो मतलब blow होते
Yeah,
जा
we
रहा है।
आज morning में I woke up and I was like, let me check cause you're going to come on the podcast and I'll be like, let's see क्या आ रहा है करके. And I was like, bro, एक दिन में you're going like very much and it's very good to see.
हाँ मतलब usually इतने streams तो even I haven't seen.
Yeah, cause like it's fast.
Basera was the first song that actually
Yeah,
worked for me. So,
Yeah, it was
I mean, this song has like 1,000 streams per day.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Morning
saying.
है, मैं
Yeah,
कल रात को देखा it was 7,000 something
Yeah.
and morning it gone like 800. I mean,
yeah.
उसमें से 4 मेरे
Damn, bro, that's
Thanks,
crazy.
man. Thank you.
No, we were actually streaming on the way here.
Okay.
Like, we were streaming Aryan Shabin all the way.
Yes, I saw the
पाँचों के
story.
पाँचों।
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
welcome.
But वही exactly एक दिन में 1,000 streams वाला
It's crazy.
that
yeah.
never had happened before. तो
Yeah.
थोड़ा
I'm
क्या
going
कहते
to be a fanboy for this podcast because I listen to Aryan Shabin like on daily basis.
me also.
Yeah, he does. Cause
Nice, thank
I
you.
was actually there for Innocent Pyar. I gotta ask you
Yeah,
something.
yes.
The reel I planned for you was that very cocky.
Yes,
Yes, I knew.
I
knew.
kind of felt later कि वो रील में ऐसे डालूंगा तो थोड़ा अजीब
Cocky
नहीं
लग
लगेगा.
जाएगा.
हाँ मतलब ऐसा
Idea
तुम लोग
क्या
को
था
नहीं
मतलब
पता
हाँ
हो. So उसका synopsis is basically I go up to Aryan Shabin. I'm like, you're Aryan Shabin, right? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, yo, bro, Basira was great. When's the next song coming? And then he blanks out and like वो camera zoom होता है face पे.
हाँ.
And then he goes into a trip.
okay
And then वो वापस आता है ना तो he's like soon. I still remember that. And we planned that. And then I was like, he actually Innocent Pyar के लिए we had a whole thing. We planned everything like कौन से डेट पे क्या जाने वाला है, कौन से इस पे क्या होने वाला है. So we planned that and at the end we shot it. जब reels आया I was like, where am I? मैं दिख ही नहीं रहा. So that was it.
वो edit पे भी थोड़ा issue हुआ मतलब the shots weren't right.
Yeah.
Later we realized some of the shots weren't shot right and
Yeah.
stuff like that. But then वो भी एक call था कि
Mic नीचे. Okay.
थोड़ा सा cocky लगेगा if I
Cocky? Yeah,
मतलब
'cause-
मेरा I mean it was my second song at that point and then ऐसा आर्यन शाबिन ये कौन है ये क्या गाना आएगा I mean इतना कोई देख नहीं रहा है.
Oh, no,
So I was like-
actually, people listen to you. Fun fact, actually, my mom, she listens to you like, she likes your music, like your music. She's like, he's a great artist and all. She also has a request for you to sing something.
oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that end of the podcast.
Okay, done.
Yeah,
I'll
so,
sing. Okay.
Yeah.
पहले बोलना चाहिए था guys. मैं
not prepared right now.
That is
Okay,
crazy, bro.
okay.
Yeah, so that was the thing. Baki, who are you listening to right now?
I listen to someone called Breakins
Okay.
and Char Diwari a lot.
Yeah, let's
Oh,
go.
guys,
A lot
Char
of Char
Diwari.
Diwari. A lot of Karun Nanku.
Yeah, तीसरी दुनिया for the
TC
win,
Dunia.
bro.
Yeah,
Let's
man.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That kind of music is not made, man. Nobody else is making music like that.
Yeah, I feel
It's
that.
very. It's not just experimental. It's very fresh. you
Very
know?
fresh, yeah, for
It's
sure.
very new. It's very fun to listen to.
Yeah,
That's missing usually. In
I
songs
mean, yeah, I
nowadays.
agree. Like, who are you like mostly like inspired by? I would say from Teesri Dunia or Char Diwari.
Huh. I wouldn't say inspired by because that is not at all my style of music, I feel.
Yeah,
But I do enjoy it a lot. I like how their thought process I mean, I like how their brains work, man.
Okay.
It's very fun to, break down the way they produce and stuff like that.
Okay.
I try to use that. I try to inculcate those things into my music, but especially when I'm making something very indie, it's, kind of.
Your genre is mostly indie, right?
Haan, yeah,
So
yeah.
I agree.
So are you trying something new genre in your music?
I mean, yeah, but let's wait. Let's see. I don't know, man. I don't want to promise anything. I don't
Nah,
want to
yeah,
say-
yeah,
तो
that's a
समझावे
great
में ये बहुत ही मतलब ऐसा हम लोग
Shift
डिस्कस
लगा
कर रहे थे
क्या?
हाँ
Yeah.
कि बहुत फ्यूचरिस्टिक एंड बहुत ही ये लग रहा
It has a club vibe.
Club,
पूरी
हाँ.
तरह से. So it was like Samjhave when I heard it for the first time. By the way, this guy leaked it for me.
था वो जब मेरे पास आया ना वो सॉन्ग
The worst mistake of his life was
कि मैंने पीयूष को बता दिया कि वो है
he told me that Aryana sent me something and I was like, bro, I ain't letting you go. ऐसे ही.
What he did, he just said to me कि give your phone. I was like, why? नहीं दे दे ब्रो हाँ मेरे को जरा काम है वो जरा मेरे को मेरे
My phone is not working and I was like,
एंड दूर जाके ये बंदा फाइल सेंड कर रहा है ट्रांसफर कर रहा है खुद तो और घर पे आके सुन रहा है आई हर्ड समझावे तेरे पास कैसे आया तो चोरी कर लिया मैंने बोला भाई
that was crazy,
सही
bro.
बात, सही
Like, Samjhave, when I heard it for the first time,
Right.
it was like it was very distinct. मैंने ऐसा कुछ सुना नहीं था इससे पहले. Samjhave is not like a Bollywood thing. Like Innocent Pyar was. Sajan Bin Babri was a very Bollywoodish song. And Samjhave was like a complete different vibe. It was like I don't have the person to describe it, but it was very Aryan Shaban. Yeah, I would say that. It was very original. Cause
Right.
like the drop it comes and then drop ke sath your lyrics are there and all, they are very good.
I'd say all thanks to Jack Swan, man. I personally would have never gone and done that khud se.
Yeah.
So Jack Swan is the producer of
Shout
that song.
out Jack
Shout
Swan.
out
Yeah,
Jack Swan.
very very mad guy.
Yeah.
So very mad guy. But, yeah, man. He's into very pop, electronic pop.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff
सुना
like
है
that.
मैंने वो भी
So, the reason I made something of that sort is because he pushed me to do that. मतलब he gave me a production of that sort and I was like, yeah, इसके ऊपर कुछ मैं compose करूँगा. How do I make it my own?
Nice.
So, I think, yeah, I would have never done that अकेले.
Oh, nice.
But मेरे को बहुत ऐसा बॉलीवुड ही लगा वो. I mean, थोड़ा ऐसा सूरज डूबा यारो दो घुट नशे के
Yeah, it was. And now you say that
Slight-
अभी मेरे
अभी
को
वो हो
ऐसा
रहा है
लग रहा है
कि
कि
हाँ.
हाँ.
Because the first time I listened to that production, I was like, ये सूरज डूबा है यारो. That's what clicked.
That was-
I have to make something of that sort. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, like the lyrics of that song, Samjhave, or even every single song of yours. Like usme there's like a thing which I feel ki you write your music, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you write that, like how do you come up with that? Okay, like I have to write it about any relationships or breakups or
Right. So थोड़ा लंबा स्टोरी है.
we want a podcast
Right. So basically, let's say back in 11th standard.
okay.
You know, when I was in 11th standard, I had this relationship. See, back then I was in that mindset where I'd get into a relationship and थोड़ा अच्छा चल रहा है and then I'd be like, I was very naive, man. I'd be like, हाँ भाई इसी से शादी करूँगा. यही है मेरी बंदी.
You're
Yeah.
basically
I was a lover boy, man.
1, 2. I don't know about him though, but yeah.
I mean, when you're at that age, when you're
Yeah, it
just
is,
starting
it is.
out, your first relationship, your second relationship, you just want to,
Yeah,
be
it's
peaceful
be
and
together,
chill.
yeah,
She is the one,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Club रह ले भाई मेरे साथ वाला scene होता है. तो वही था and then I kind of बहुत shocking था बे जब छोड़ के चली गई.
Oh my god, damn that story.
तो yeah, and at that point I didn't. I was never supposed to get into music. Even after that, matlab, at that point I wanted to express myself somehow. I had a lot of things to say, and I didn't know. ऐसे direct Instagram पे जाके ऐसा I can't bash out and say कि यार मेरी बंदी छोड़ के चली गई ऐसा हो गया मेरे साथ. That would have been very
Yeah,
weird,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
थोड़ा cringe हो जाता. तो मैं सोचा कि this has to be done, but in a cooler way.
Okay.
You know, thoda society will accept kind of way mein. So I thought, why not poetry? Because that is very cool.
Yeah, that
People like that. Women love that. Let's do something usme. So I started writing, and then I figured out कि हाँ भाई ये तो मेरे से बहुत I can do that. It's not rocket science. तो फिर हाँ, I was very inspired by Anuv Jain at that point.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
Anuv Jain was
Anuv Jain.
literally getting, famous at that point. He was coming, matlab everywhere it was Anuv Jain. Every single person was talking about this underground artist. I listened to Anuv Jain. Have you listened to him? I was like, yeah, nice. So everyone. So I kind of was inspired by that. I was, he was talking about love stories, he was talking about breakups, and he was making music out of it, and it hit. Even though it wasn't music that, at that point, I was very, inclined towards Bollywood and, very, मतलब ऐसा दिमाग लगा के produced वाला music. You
Okay.
know? And Anuv Jain was very simple. It was very fresh. It was very soothing to listen to at that point.
Yeah, it was new as well.
Yeah. It was very new. So, I thought I could make something of this sort. And then I wrote Basera at that point.
Damn, bro.
And everything I had to say, I wrote in Basera.
It's like a butterfly effect, like he wrote Basera because of a girl, and then now it's sitting at 50K streams and all. It's very it's very mainstream at this point. Like, one of my friends, one of my female friends, वो जिस college में जाती है, some people over there, they like you, like unke reels mein they put Basera always, they are like listening to Basera, and she tells me that ki yo, this guy, you know him, right, who sang this. And I'm like, I'm always flexing ki yeah, he's with me, he's my friend and all, bro.
इवन मेरी भी एक फ्रेंड है, मुझे उसका हर रोज टेक्स्ट आता है, आई जस्ट लिसन बसेरा एंड मैं बोला तू रोज सुनती है? हाँ, तूने जब से बोला तब से रोज सुनती
Oh
हूँ.
my god, that's very crazy.
Nice
Like
song,
Basera was a song, it was like a revolutionary song. Because, okay, fun fact, I had a crush when I heard Basera for first time.
Right.
And I can relate to that feeling you said just now, कि इसी से शादी करूँगा. That delusional things.
Every teenage boy,
Yeah. It's like that. So I heard Basera, and तभी we were working on Innocent Pyar, right? तभी आया नहीं था. I had the audio file with me.
Right.
So I used to listen to Innocent Pyar as well. It was like very great. I mean, I don't want to make our audience feel not uncomfortable. I don't want to make our audience feel like left out, because I heard Aryan's very unreleased songs and all, and they are not. You did not.
Zada streams low.
Yeah.
Everyone will listen to everything.
No, actually, the humor on your stories, it's actually funny. Like, the other day he posted like, go help me out and all. Aisa, like, go 10K streams and all. And in the next stories, there's like a illustration of, what was that illustration of?
Of a beggar.
Beggar, yeah. We would say beggar. Cause, and uske niche was like POV, Aryans have been asking for stream. It was like very crazy.
Yeah, man. I mean, thoda, I never, like I said, I wrote Basera at that point, and it was just supposed to be like a party trick,
Yeah.
Like when someone would next time कोई मेरे पास आया और बोला कि मैं अनुव जैन सुनता हूँ या फिर मैं प्रतीक कुहाड़ सुनता हूँ, तो मैं बोलूँगा कि हाँ क्या ब्रो, मेरे को गिटार दे, मैं कुछ सुनाता हूँ, and then I would say, oh ये तूने लिखा है? मैंने हाँ ब्रो, ये वाह man, this was what it was.
Yeah, it was
the only
supposed to be,
purpose.
yeah.
This was what it was supposed
I
to
get
be.
it, I get it.
But then I came to college FY में,
Yeah.
and then shout out Jassi.
Oh, yeah, Jassi.
He was the one, मैं पहले उसको सुनाया था. तो he said कि bro, इसका अपन कुछ कर सकते, तो इसका, you can make music out of this. This is like good stuff, man. You
Yeah.
can actually produce it and stuff like that. And I had no clue. I have never learned music. मैं कभी yeah, I don't know how production. I didn't know how production worked or how to get to a studio.
Okay.
Or anything for that matter. So at that point, Jussie was the one who made me meet a friend of his, and they gave me more information about how production works and
Okay.
which studio to go to and stuff like that. And well, yeah, that's how I got to a studio for the first time. उधर भी जाके I was like, अभी क्या करूँ, अभी क्या करना है, please मेरे को help कर दो, मेरे को पता नहीं इधर क्या करने का है. But those people were also very chill, very welcoming,
अच्छा.
thankfully. And yeah, I got to, I was like a kid in a toy store.
Yeah.
मजा आया, बहुत कुछ किया मैं ऐसा. I was experimenting with every single thing, record भी ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, ऐसे करके दिखाओ, ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, नीचे से कर रहा हूँ, फिर उसको रिवर्स करके देखो, उसको ये करके दिखाओ, उसके ऊपर ये डाल के देखो, ये put this instrument, वो instrument, and ये करते करते I made a whole song.
Yeah.
And it sounded very good. And it wasn't just
was.
me who felt that, a lot of people felt that.
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, okay. Especially after the song released, I figured out ki, this song works. So I
Yeah,
should be
it
doing this
works.
more often.
Yeah.
Nahi to I was not planning on doing any of
When
this.
did you release Basera?
Around a year ago.
Oh.
Very recently, एक साल
So
हुआ.
it was in like 2023 or 22?
23.
23
Yeah.
starting में.
हाँ.
Oh.
So मतलब पैशन पहले से था या फिर वो ब्रेकअप होने के बाद आया?
Passion, see, initially I always wanted to make art. I always wanted to be in the
Artistic
creative
field, yeah,
artist.
वो पहले से था ना
हाँ,
कि
वो
कुछ
था
करना
वो
है।
था कुछ तो करना
करना
है.
है,
हाँ,
yeah.
वो तो था हमेशा से. But हाँ, ऐसे specified, it wasn't specified ever कि
Okay.
I wanted to do music because like I said, I have never learned music. I have never, मतलब yeah, कोई भी, there is no one in my family who does music.
So how
yeah.
did you like learn to sing?
Why I didn't learn to sing. It was
So
अपने आप आ गया ऐसा.
so your voice is like normally वैसे
हाँ,
like,
मतलब
when you sing.
हाँ,
Damn,
बचपन
that's
से ही मतलब
very
मैं
crazy.
मम्मी ने मतलब ऐसा मतलब ऐसे बचपन में अगर लाइक वो पार्टीज होते हैं ना जहाँ पे ऐसे फैमिली द होल फैमिली हाँ नाच हाँ तो दिस वाज अ वेरी ह्यूज थिंग इन माय फैमिली फॉर सम रीजन आई थिंक एवरीवन्स फैमिली
Yeah,
बट मेरे को ऐसे लगता था कि मेरे फैमिली में कुछ ज्यादा ही चलता है मतलब all the uncles would get a little drunk and stuff.
उसके फैमिली में
सब बच्चों को बुलाओ अभी चलो शुरू हो जाओ
नाचो.
हाँ नाचो गाओ
मेरे
जो
भी
कर
same
सकते
है,
हो.
मेरे भी सेम है. कभी फैमिली फंक्शन हुआ कि हम
हाँ.
दोनों एक ही डांस क्लास में तो
Yeah.
हम लोग को डांस बहुत ही पसंद है.
Yeah, we
Okay,
met at a
okay.
dance
हाँ.
class. Yeah.
तो हम लोग का जब भी फंक्शन
Oh,
होता है
you met at a dance class.
Yeah.
Mad.
Darshan was like,
अगर मैं गाऊंगा तो तुम लोगों को थोड़ा ऐसा ब्रेक डांस वगैरह करके
but
now
हाँ,
it's been like years.
so सेकंड टाइम में नर्वस नहीं होऊंगा बट
yes.
किसी को अगर पता नहीं होगा तो
We-
मैंने समझावे में डांस एज अ बैकग्राउंड डांसर किया था.
Yes.
Yeah.
बट आई वांट टू नो क्या हो गया उस पार्ट का.
You tell me, man.
मैं nervous था.
So-
He was like me and other dancer Manisha Shetty. And she was like
Shout out.
to Manisha Shetty. Sorry. So she was
Which
like,
camera am I supposed to look at?
कोई भी
I look at
Both
you.
are focused
तो
on you. So.
वो बहुत ही इरिटेट हो गई थी कि अब तक नहीं हुआ, अभी इतना लेट हो गया है, कब तक हम लोग, क्योंकि हम लोग का ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 टेक पहले हुआ था.
Okay.
तो मैं बहुत ही नर्वस हो गया था. एंड देन आर्यन वाज जस्ट सिटिंग ओवर देयर एंड ही वाज लाइक व्हाई आर यू सो लाइक नर्वस क्यों है?
अच्छा.
मतलब पता नहीं चल रहा है, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. सो दैट टाइम मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. एंड देन द
I think that camera fright got you.
नहीं एक्चुअली मैं पहले भी कर चुका हूँ बट आई डोंट नो उस टाइम पे मेरे को क्या
Oh yeah, by the way,
समझ
he
आया.
has worked in serials. And
Yes,
all, okay?
I know.
अच्छा, you told
मैं
him?
हाँ बात
Yeah,
किया था
अच्छा.
उस दिन.
We
Yeah.
took him for that only. Experience है बंदे को.
Yeah.
बस.
बट क्या हुआ था फिर? नहीं मेरे को, मैं नर्वस था बट
I mean, हाँ. कुछ नहीं वे.
He's just asking like मेरे को क्यों नहीं मिला?
क्या ही होता है? नहीं, वैसे
I want to be
नहीं, see, you were fine only, man. मतलब थोड़ा सा कैमरा पे वो nervousness दिख रहा था. It was, very evident that you were nervous, and everyone is. Even I am very nervous. Even I am very nervous right now, man. So
ये चीज पता है कि आर्यन he just came and बोलता है bro script पढ़ा बोला नहीं बोलता है मेरे को भी नहीं पता खुद के गाने की स्क्रिप्ट नहीं पता
That is usually what we do. We just sit. Once हम लोग I think last episode जब हम लोग shoot कर रहे थे, we sat, हम लोगों ने कैमरा वगैरह चालू किया, and we were looking at each other.
and then we forgot
Now
topics
what are we supposed to speak?
नहीं but एक चीज about you I really like कि बहुत ही chill मतलब क्या हो रहा है
Yeah,
आसपास,
yeah.
he just भूल गया अपने zone में
Yeah,
थोड़ा
he
बहुत।
has that zone. Yeah.
सही बात.
He was like कि मेरे को एक्टिंग सिखा दे तूने करी हो तो मेरे को क्या मैं बोला मैं कैसे सिखाऊं मैं हो
He
गया भूल
acts
गया
really well. When I like
बट अभी
call-
भूल गया मैं सब भूल गया
नहीं when I like call him कि bro किधर है, he's like अरे पास में ही हूँ. He's like अरे तेरे घर के सामने हूँ यार, and then मैं मेरे घर के सामने उतर के खड़ा हूँ. He's like मैं कॉल कर
15
अरे
मिनट से खड़ा हूँ मैं किधर है तू
he's like
हाँ भाई निकल रहा हूँ.
अभी निकला मैं
he's
नहीं,
like that.
इतना- ये acting even I know this.
Everyone does it bro.
Jack Swan's crib, yeah, you met it.
Jack Swan.
Swan's crib.
सेड कि अरविंद भी आ रहा है मैं लाइक ओके कब तक बोला लेट मी जस्ट कॉल हिम कॉल किया सो रहा है मैं लाइक कोई ना 15 मिनट बात करूं भाई वो सो गया अब नहीं आएगा
That's crazy bro.
हाँ,
That's
वो
very
होता है थोड़ा
crazy.
मेरे साथ.
लेट नाइट तक वो होता रहता मतलब कोई
हाँ,
गाने बना
Obviously
रहे
he's an artist bro. तो like
रात
you
को ही
have
ज्यादा मैं एक्टिव
तो
रहता हूँ.
ऐसा
I
कुछ हुआ है
agree.
कभी कि कोई गाना लिखा और उसके बाद नहीं स्क्रैप कर देता है
वो रोज होता है मेरे साथ.
ओ शिट मतलब
So-
ऐसा अगर नहीं हुआ तो हम लोग को कितने गाने मिलेंगे भाई
so are you like do you ever plan to do an album like if that was a very worst segue I feel. बड़ी गंदा कट था वो but I had that in my mind कि do you plan to do an album or something ever?
I would love to do everything possible, man.
Oh.
Be it not just albums. I'll do whatever, man. I'll do everything. मतलब जो भी करने को है वो सब करने का मन तो है, but it's not about मन होना. It's all about.
sorry to cut you off. I thought you know Innocent प्यार के रील के एंड में we see that tree which is also your tattoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that tattoo.
ओके
So
उसके पीछे कोई मीनिंग है लाइक.
yeah, मैं भी वही पूछने वाला था. But I thought कि जब वो रील पे आता है ना वो tattoo, तो I thought कि it might be a part of some album or something. But then I asked Anirudh, one of our very good friends, shout out. So I asked him and he was like, no, it's like his thing. He has that idea of doing that.
Right.
Yeah.
Idea of doing.
I'm sorry I cut off because मेरा laptop का charging खत्म हो गया. Yeah.
The tattoo wasn't supposed to be anything related to music. मैंने ऐसे ही बनाया था. It was. It's not a real tree. I kind of designed it.
Oh,
But
nice. Do you design like art like ऐसे
in
painting and all?
general,
Yeah.
no, not really. I can draw a little. I can paint a little, but I'm not very good at it.
Okay.
But yeah, I made that design, and then later it was nothing. It just means like rooted and staying. And then there is balance also written over here because you
How
always
many
need
tattoos
balance.
do you have?
I just have 2 tattoos.
Oh,
But I
balance
want
and
to
a
do. I
tree.
want to. Yeah, balance and a
That's-
tree.
yes,
But I
that's
want
good, that's
to
good.
make more. I mean, do more stuff.
Balance means like basically normal balance.
Yeah, it just means balance, man. I just want
From
balance in
Aryan
life.
to Aryan Shavin, like
Yeah.
the music,
yeah.
Aryan
No,
Shavin.
not like that.
Yeah.
But I actually thought of it like, in life, everything should be balanced. There shouldn't
Oh.
be too much ego, or there shouldn't be too much happiness, or there shouldn't be too much sadness, there shouldn't be too much anything.
Oh.
Everything has, a limit, and everything should be
Balanced.
very properly
Yeah,
balanced.
yeah, that's
But
great.
that's it. Kuch aisa, nothing, no more than that.
I had like when I was in like schools and all, I had this plan कि I'll get a tattoo and all. But then now that I think of a tattoo, it's a commitment for me.
Yeah,
And like I have to stay with it for my life. Okay,
Yeah,
if I
true.
get
उसको
a
मीनिंग
tattoo.
रहना चाहिए उसके पीछे. ऐसा.
I mean, I'll only
Randomly-
like write ऐसा कुछ लिख दूंगा इधर.
हाँ.
Like you know.
हाँ भाई ठीक है भाई सॉरी भाई लिख दिया मैंने बैलेंस
no. Like you know in चार दीवारी का that video gravity के साथ वाला.
हाँ हाँ
हाँ तो उसमें उसने लिखा
Violence,
होता है
हाँ.
सिमरन का मर्द. I will-
क्या
सिमरन का मर्द.
वायलेंस में है कि
Violence-
हाँ, I remember that.
I think it's like it's like a meme बहुत पहले का in which they like check a woman's hand, तो it's like a very rural type video.
Right,
तो उसमें लिखा होता है कि कोई तो नाम होता है I don't remember it, तो उसका उसकी लुगाई है ऐसा लिखा होता है.
नहीं फिर
तो
बाद में कवर अप भी तो करना पड़ता है ना,
क्या
इफ कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाए.
या सो उसके वीडियो के एंड में they go like ना अब इसका क्या करे टैटू बना लिया bro and then they're like nah like if I do see if I do it I won't go for like a big ass tattoo because
हाँ छोटा सा सिंपल.
yeah like
कुछ तो
even like
meaning
उसका
रहेगा
balance
उसमें.
on the tree
हाँ.
it looks good because it's like too much Aryan like it shows है ना. am I being too am I being cocky?
I mean, see, I don't like, not I don't like, it's just, it's kind of weird, man, when people, you know,
ज्यादा ही तारीफ कर देते हैं.
हाँ, I don't take
I don't-
Tariq well, man, I'm that guy, you know.
I said in the start of the podcast कि I'm going to be a fanboy and I am going to be a fanboy.
नहीं ऐसा फील होता है कि भाई बहुत ज्यादा ही कर रहे हैं.
अब-
हाँ, अबे क्या, कुछ भी
okay.
चल, पता है, चल.
उसके बाद नो मोर कॉल्स.
no.
कॉल नहीं उठा रहा.
नहीं भाई, नहीं.
Damn, that's crazy.
But yeah, I mean, थोड़ा, I'm very weird with, you know, taking तारीफ.
तारीफ.
हाँ,
Okay.
yeah.
You had a collab with Kritin.
Mhm.
Who's the guy you wanna have collab? Like, who's the guy जिसके साथ collab कर लिया तो it's like, yeah, now I've made it.
ये कभी सोचा नहीं है.
एक कोई बेंचमार्क होगा ना कि इसके
Yeah.
भाई ये खत्म है इसके बाद तो
नहीं
नहीं.
खत्म
फिर
सी
इसके बाद
नहीं, I've never thought about it like that. कभी, well, I mean, हाँ, I've never thought about
like
it
it's
like that.
never end. It's like a
I
never
don't want it
ending
to
thing,
end. हाँ, I
right?
don't
Yeah.
want. There
ये ऐसा
should be a
कभी-
lot of stairs, man.
Yeah.
ऐसे चढ़ते जाए,
चढ़ते जाए,
चढ़ते
चढ़ते
जाए.
जाए,
चढ़ना ही है भाई.
Because if we like, I think किसी तो book में मैंने पढ़ा था. I think I don't remember. It might be Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Mason. Mason or Manson. Sorry for my pronunciation. But I think he said this कि in that book कि if you give boundaries to yourself, like यहाँ पे if I reach, then I think it's done.
हाँ
And
फिर
you're
लाइफ
never
बोरिंग
going
हो
to-
जाएगी. लाइक
yeah,
सब कंप्लीट
you're
कर
never
लिया फिर
going
कुछ
to go
बचा ही नहीं.
further.
बिकॉज मैंने मोस्ट ऑफ दी मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि बट बहुत से सिंगर्स या फिर को जो एक्टर्स या कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में कि वो लोग एक बेंचमार्क इतना इतना बना लिया इसके बाद बस खत्म हो गया.
Like
ये वैसा नहीं होता bro.
नहीं, not everyone does that because if
नहीं नॉट एवरीवन कुछ
It's a very
कुछ बोल रहा हूँ
personal.
मैं.
It's a
हाँ.
very personal.
it's a very
thing.
personal thing.
हाँ.
Yeah, if I reach
Depends
there
on the
कि
person,
अभी
yeah.
I've made it and अभी I have to stop. But then putting a full
नहीं
stop
वो
on the
जस्ट
thing.
एक ऐसा एक गोल रहता है कि इधर पहुंच गया तो मतलब मैंने कुछ तो किया है लाइक.
Yeah.
ऐसा फील होता है बट वो एंड नहीं रहता लाइक. उसके
Yeah.
भी आगे कुछ करना
वो फिर
होता है.
डिमांड्स भी रहती है ना fans
हाँ
की कि और चाहिए.
एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ते रहते हैं जैसे जैसे आगे जाते हो.
Yeah, like now if you see, I worship Kendrick Lamar, and he's like a very intellectual rapper I would say, because उसके जैसा music and उसके जैसा things nobody is doing that right now. So not going on to the recent beef between him and Drake.
Drake.
Yeah. So but like he doesn't upload very frequently.
हाँ.
And I feel he always does that for quality and like why are you guys distracting me? Yeah, okay, never mind, sorry. So he never like uploads frequently and that like bothers because he's like a favorite artist of mine and like you need to listen to your favorite artists.
नहीं पर अगर बार बार अपलोड करेगा तो मजा क्या आएगा bro. एक्साइटमेंट खत्म हो जाएगा ना.
नहीं, I don't like that thinking, man. To be honest, कि हाँ, I mean है वो भी है. Once you reach that level, you can be like, अभी I'll edge you guys, you know. मैं थोड़ा टाइम लूँगा, थोड़ा मांगो. हाँ भाई, you can do that. Once you have that kind of fan base and stuff, I
But
guess.
his thing, Kendrick's thing is कि like he's choosing himself over music. The recent album, Mr. Mural, उसमें it was all about mental things like traumas and all, instability. तो उसमें he was like कि I keep doing music but I think he says कि he forgot his should I नहीं हो गया yeah so he says कि I think I need to look at my family as well. He has 2 kids and all. So he has to look after them and also he has to give time to them. So he made that album which is apparently supposed to be his last album. But I don't know, abhi they are hyping up something. They like I recently kali I think I read कि he's uploading another album.
लाइक वो रिटायर्ड हो गया, उसने बोल दिया ऐसा.
नहीं, he's uploading another album. I
वो
got that
related है
news
वो
yesterday.
hard part से
नहीं, I don't. नहीं, उसके 2 parts थे मिस्टर मोराल के. It was like disc 1 and disc 2, and it was a great album, I would say. Because do you listen to Kendrick?
Yeah, very rarely.
Oh.
But I saw the, the disappointment was very loud.
No.
क्या यार भाई,
Yeah,
क्या
I mean,
कर दिया?
I don't listen to a lot of
Hip-hop.
No, हाँ, hip hop का सीन नहीं है, मतलब I stick to a lot of Indian stuff more than what's happening outside. But then I do listen to it. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं सुनता हो. But the worst part is that once I started making music, उल्टा होना चाहिए था. You are supposed to make music and then you're supposed to consume as much as you can so that you are aware of what's happening. But then once I started making music, I started figuring out. See, entertainment, movies हो जाए, music हो जाए, everything was supposed to be like magic for me.
Yeah.
And I was that very, like I said, I was a very naive kid, and I was very happy being naive. ऐसा मजा आता था यार, ऐसा कुछ भी पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, मजा आ रहा है. ये that is what I want to do in life, man.
That is nice.
But unfortunately, I started figuring out stuff, man. I started going to studios. I started BMM ले लिया तो सब movies के बारे में भी सब समझ में आ गया. How cameras work, how you make scenes, and
Yeah.
I understood the recipe basically. I figured out how it's made, and then वो magic चला गया basically.
So can we expect a filmmaker inside Aryan Shabdan?
When I was in FY, I actually wanted to become a director. And
Okay.
then-
I relate.
and then I even tried making a movie as well, and then halfway through
The short film assignment.
no yeah short film assignment किया मैंने पहले, and then I was like ये तो मैं खुद से भी कर सकता हूँ, and then I was very dumb, man. मैंने मतलब स्क्रिप्ट नहीं, शॉर्ट ब्रेकडाउन नहीं किया था मैंने मेरी मूवी का. एंड देन आई ब्रॉट इन द होल टीम, लाइट्स वाइट्स, एक्टर्स रेडी है, स्क्रिप्ट विप सबको दे दिया, एंड देन कैमरामैन DOP वगैरह आ गए, एंड देन वी आर सिटिंग एंड फिगरिंग आउट एवरी सिंगल शॉट, एंड देन बहुत खिंच रहा है, लाइट जा रहा है, अबे टाइम जा रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. एंड देन ऐसे करते करते 2 दिन का शूट किया हमने, एंड देन एडिट पे मैंने देखा कि अरे यार ये तो पूरा गार्बेज है ब्रो. मैं बोला डन भाई, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है.
That's what happened when I was like doing promotional reels for this. So we had a promotion. Have you seen that?
Yeah, I saw the reels,
Them
and I
getting
also saw the
kidnapped.
podcast where you guys were speaking about how वही कि जो शूट किया था उससे नहीं बना ना, something else.
हम लोग ने 50 टेक लिए थे उसके.
अच्छा.
Just because of us, हम लोग एक दूसरे को हंस रहे देख के.
We took like a month. We had plan of like a 5 to 6 days to film everything, and then मैं edit पे बैठूंगा. But then we shot them both getting kidnapped, and I was the kidnapper. So मेरा shot, we shot it, but unfortunately it wasn't that good because it was as I said, I make stuff cocky. So yeah, it was looking very cocky, and every single day like हम लोग shoot करते हैं, शाम को I come, I sit on the like laptop and all edit करने के लिए, and then I just text on the group, bro we are
Every हम तक जितने भी पॉडकास्ट शूट हुए हैं, हम लोग ऐसे बैठे कि शाम 5 बजे ग्रुप पे जाओ, जो
group पे text आने वाला है. Damn bro. Yeah, but that's like a creator's choice if you look at it कि मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा ये, है ना? If you ever happened to you, like yeah, for the filmmaking thing, but songs के उसमें.
हाँ लाइक
Well,
एकदम
like I
ऐसा
just said, man, वो हर रात को कुछ ना कुछ तो लिख लेता हो, कंपोज कर लेता हो, प्ले करता हो, रिकॉर्ड भी कर लेता हो, और फिर अगले दिन सुबह उठ के अबे व्हाट गार्बेज मैन. हाँ, वो होता रहता है. वो अभी रिसेंटली मतलब परसों ही हुआ मेरे साथ. मैंने स्टोरी डाला. आई पुट अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ थिंग दैट आई रिकॉर्डेड. कुछ तो मैंने ऐसे बना के.
I think yeah, I saw that. Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
black and white.
Yeah,
It was very
yeah, I
sad.
saw-
It was
I
very
saw-
sad. And the next
ठीक है,
day,
you are playing your guitar.
हाँ हाँ, I'm like finger picking. बहुत basic था वो. But at that moment when I was doing it, it felt like I was really hitting that emotion that I wanted to hit.
Okay.
मतलब I was feeling it. I was like बहुत मजा आ रहा है and stuff like that. But then सुबह उठ के मैंने देखा होता है अरे garbage.
Yeah,
But
that
yeah,
happens.
that
Yeah.
keeps happening.
तो ब्रो यू नो कभी कभी ऐसा लाइक लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन रहता है, लाइक कुछ सोचता ही नहीं कभी क्या करूँ क्या लिखूँ, तो हाउ डू यू गेट आउट ऑफ इट लाइक?
मैं वही पूछना चाहूंगा लोगों से फ्रॉम टू बेटर आर्टिस्ट कि हाउ मैन, व्हाट आर यू गाइस डूइंग, व्हाट आर यू गाइस ईटिंग, व्हाट आर यू गाइस स्मोकिंग.
Like, don't you ever get like कि yeah बस अभी नहीं आ रहा दिमाग में कुछ?
होता रहता है भाई.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ तो रहेगा ना, लाइक कुछ लोग का रहता है गेम्स खेलते या कुछ खेल लेते कुछ कर लेते, तो
Yeah,
ऐसा
that
थोड़ा
happens.
मोटिवेशन अपने आप आ जाता है.
आई मीन मोटिवेशन का सीन नहीं है मुझे. आई एम ऑलवेज मोटिवेटेड टू मेक स्टफ. बट आई लैक, यू नो वर आई लैक विथ वर्ड्स, लिरिक्स. मेरे को राइटिंग में मैं बहुत लैक करता हूँ, वैसे हमेशा से लगता है मेरे को. बिकॉज आई डोंट स्पीक हिंदी दैट वेल, इफ यू हैव नोटिस्ड.
Yeah.
मल्लू, साउथ
Yeah,
इंडियन.
yeah.
तो वही तो. Not that Mallus can't speak in Hindi, but I personally didn't speak in Hindi till like 8th standard, you know.
Okay.
And then 8th standard mein I was like, I came to India. Before that I was in UAE.
Okay.
So I didn't have to speak in Hindi.
Oh,
So उसके बाद when I came to India, I had to speak in Hindi. Then I learned Hindi watching a lot of Doraemon and Shin-chan.
Doraemon.
Yeah.
That's,
So yeah, that is how I literally learned Hindi. So वही. So if you can understand what kind of vocabulary.
yeah.
So it's not just that, it's also the fact that it's very important for me कि I should have something to say, you know. Like during, like I said, I had those breakups.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
अभी तक वही breakup चल रहा है. मतलब as in I've had a lot of good relationships after that and stuff like that, but वही मतलब I started writing because of that breakup. And then वो breakup हो गया वो topic, you know. If you listen to Basera's lyrics, it's a very sad, it's supposed to be very sad. It's about how a guy is asking a girl कि, not asking, telling a girl कि तू चली गई है मेरे को पता है, but I'm still here. Come back whenever you
Waiting
want.
for
I'm
you.
here, you know, I'm waiting for you.
Oh damn, bro! 2022 flashback.
And
That's crazy.
and all the music afterwards also is related to breakups and love stories and sad love stories, or you know, weird love stories
Oh,
or
yeah.
whatever. But yeah, it's all about that. And I feel like at this point I have saturated my love stories wala scene. Either I need to have a really bad breakup, you know, just very bad, something that fucks me up. Or I hope that doesn't happen though. but I mean, I need some motivation like that, you know. I want things to say. I think I don't have enough experiences and enough things to talk about. So that is where I lack.
Okay.
So it's not motivation, it's more about experiences, I feel. But हाँ, वो creative block तो आता रहता है bro. हमेशा आता है. अभी भी चल ही रहा है मेरे हिसाब से, पता नहीं. But yeah, I still कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है.
Okay.
मतलब वो बार-बार सोचने से कुछ ना कुछ तो आइडिया एक
बार बार सोचने से कुछ ना कुछ आइडिया, हाँ, you can force it out of yourself, but then I feel वो authenticity नहीं होता फिर. you know?
Okay.
You don't, it's not, it doesn't hit the audience as much as it should when it is, coming from the right place. When you actually want to say something and you really want to express yourself, and then you're writing. I'm a person who compose and write simultaneously.
Yeah.
So usually nahi, I don't know, matlab, most of the people I have met personally either compose first or write first and then compose, or compose first and then write. Try to fit in their lyrics on the composition or vice versa. But I personally, I do it simultaneously because I'm speaking. I feel like I'm speaking to the audience. I'm telling the world something. So whatever I'm saying, I say it with that emotion, and that emotion holds some kind of composition, according to me. तो वही, I do it simultaneously. So what was the point? I forgot the point.
I mean, we were so into the topic, I forgot. But I agree. If you're into like something that much, it happens. Coming back to like Samjhave, when the video is coming. I mean, we are filming. I think तब तक आ जाएगा. When
by
this
this
will-
episode,
yeah.
by the time this episode is out,
Yeah.
the video should be out.
Damn.
I'm very excited. It's my first music video.
Yeah.
Even I am excited, but
I mean,
He was part of the,
he was part of the video.
shoot. BTS में दिखेगा तू.
BTS में दिखूंगा.
BTS में. Nice.
अरे
If कोई मेरा friend देख रहा है, मैं था.
हाँ,
था ना मैं?
he was there, man. He was there. It was a very cool shoot. They were also very cool. They were very helpful throughout the shoot. But then वही भाई कर दिया ना.
शर्मा
गान कर दिया. But नहीं रे, it happens. even-
Happens, yeah. It's like nervousness.
नहीं, मेरे को वो
comes
पता ही
over
था
you
कि-
sometimes.
You know, I'll tell you one thing. मेरे से ज़्यादा nobody can understand what you went through, because I am usually very nervous. I am very introverted in general. I am very shy, very introverted. I don't like speaking. I don't like talking to people. I don't like people in general, man. That's a very bad thing to say on camera, but it's not that. It's just I'm kind of intimidated and stuff, थोड़ा सा बोलना पड़ेगा भी इनको कुछ,
Damn.
वो सब थोड़ा इंट्रोवर्ट आर्यन निकल आता है. So it takes a while for me to get into the zone, or if you watch this podcast, probably starting में मैं थोड़ा ऐसा ये सब कर रहा हूँ, और अभी थोड़ा और ऐसा फैल के बैठा हूँ,
Yeah,
थोड़ा बात
yeah,
कर रहा हूँ.
भाई ये सब मेरे को भी होता है. लाइक मैं ऐसा शांति से बैठ नहीं सकता. लाइक कुछ भी ऐसा मतलब कुछ तो मूवमेंट करना ही पड़ता है, तो थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल फील
Even
होता है.
if you have watched our first podcast, देखा होगा तो इसमें उसमें ये कुछ तो बोल रहा था कौन वो, and he was like
हाँ लाइक
Yeah, he was like looking at the mic and nothing.
he's angry कि मेरे को चिकन पॉक्स हो गया, मैं नहीं जा रहा 4 दीवारी के कॉन्सर्ट में.
That's a very sad
Oh
story.
yeah, I saw that reel. as well.
Yeah.
And he was like doing this.
He's like just
I
doing
just don't
this.
give a fuck about him. कुछ कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पर.
Whatever that
नहीं,
is,
वो
like-
जस्ट एक डिस्ट्रैक्शन रहता है. लाइक मेरे को थोड़ा ऐसा फील होता है कि ऐसा अनकंफर्टेबल फील रहता है.
ये
लाइक
usually
कैमरा
मेरे
के
साथ
सामने.
होता है.
हाँ.
कि मैं अभी यहाँ पर बात कर रहा हूँ and
Conscious feel होता है.
I believe,
हाँ.
I believe
ऐसा जस्ट एक वे रहता है कि थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल फील
he has like I believe he has ADHD to a point.
हाँ मैं अभी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, next minute मैं
Because
zone out हो
like,
जाऊंगा.
yeah,
I'm
he
pretty
distracts
sure, I'm
like
pretty sure.
very slight सा, but he does because most of the time ऐसा होता है कि he forgets he has to do something. तो I feel that might be the thing.
I'm pretty sure ऐसा clinically ऐसा अगर टेस्ट किया जाए तो हम सब में कुछ ना
सब
कुछ
में,
ऐसा निकल रहे. This generation, I mean, everyone
I
has
mean,
something.
Reels
or
has
the other.
ruined the attention span and all.
Yeah.
And I don't even like
The content being made right now
yeah,
is supposed
even
to,
like when I edit the podcast का reels, I like watch it like 100 times or something. Like even मेरे को captions वगैरह डालते हुए. I feel like it's just too much just to attract audience, and
हाँ.
I feel कि एक scroll के बाद even if our reel comes up, they are going to be like watching it for the moment जो भी हो रहा है. वो होने के बाद they don't even realize कि do I have to watch another one, but they'll still scroll and all. So that scrolling
ऐसा
is,
लाइक आलस आता है. लाइक अरे देख लेता हूँ. ऐसा
नहीं,
फील
देख
होता
लिया
है.
मैंने तो-
नहीं, एक बार ऐसा देखने लगा ना तो आधा एक घंटा किधर निकल जाता है ऐसा पता ही
yeah,
नहीं
that is
चलता.
that is the thing, that is attention span
हाँ, वही,
and all,
exactly.
right?
मैंने तो कुछ दोस्तों ने बोल दिया 2 मिनट का देखा, उसके बाद
I
देखा
mean,
ही नहीं.
I made yeah, the first podcast when it went out, many of the people they were like, let's make it short thoda, cause people are not gonna watch the whole thing.
हाँ.
But then I'm like, bro, if the real fun is in like the podcast itself, like beach में एकदम ऐसा ये part आ रहा है where we are talking somewhere, where we are getting somewhere, like in the third podcast I was telling them how मैं एक concert से return आ रहा था and the auto वाला which I was
ब्रो तू
Which
पूरा
I-
टॉपिक ही बता दे
वापस
I
बोल दे
took.
वही।
Are you it's an interesting topic. You
अच्छा,
like
okay.
it, yeah. So the auto which I took, उसका driver, he had a fight with someone on the road, and then he just like beach ride में he just turns back and he goes like, you know, I'm a criminal.
What?
And I'm like, bro, what? And then he's like,
Why are you telling me this?
yeah, exactly. And then I was like, bro, fine. I'm just listening to him, and he's like, I have like beaten 2 people to like almost I have almost
Half
killed 2
murder,
people
half
and
murder
half
किया
murder
है.
and all. And I am like I'm just stunned to speak. What should I say? When we reach at my place, मैंने गेट पे ही गाड़ी रोकी, अंदर नहीं ली मैंने because I don't know. He has like literally opened up. So I was like paying him, and then he pulls out his phone and मेरे को phone पे he shows the FIR, and I'm like,
I mean,
so these,
but it's a thing, man. In
Yeah.
Mumbai, matlab, I have met a lot of people in Mumbai. Like
Who have-
after coming
who
to
have killed
Mumbai.
people.
हाँ मतलब you know, it's a flex. It's a flex कि
Yeah.
half murder. You know, अरे half murder किया है मैंने, इधर भी किया, उधर भी किया.
Yeah.
इधर भी
है मेरे
Kunal,
It's a flex. It's a
Kunal और
flex.
मेरे को
Yeah.
हमारे junior college की we met at junior college. And
But then
we
it's
are-
very easy to get a half murder case on your thing. It's very easy. You're not
Yeah.
supposed to. कुछ हो
even
मतलब.
if you like, yeah, it is.
I don't want to get into the details, but मतलब
मेरे-
जहाँ तक मैंने सुना, it's very easy to get
Yeah.
a half murder case on
Even
your.
मेरे
Coming back to the thing we were talking, so like ऐसे जो topics होते हैं, if we speak it in a podcast, तो it is supposed to be in the middle because उसका build up लगता है.
हाँ.
And that's what I try to do. I try to keep it as raw as like it should be.
Some
So
raw.
like now also I did not even give you a script. I did not even.
Yeah,
say-
I was hoping कि मैं आऊँगा and then you guys will be briefing me about the whole podcast.
I mean, I want.
But this is very.
It's like
बैठे
you know
start
this
किया.
this should like I like have a vision. I would say that's a very big word, but like I want the young adults to be like raw. Like
Right.
if a guest is coming on this podcast, they should not feel like they're going for an interview, like which is like PR trained.
समझा.
Yeah, I want them to be like we are sitting, like we are bros and we are talking.
Right.
So yeah, like we had those kind of conversation right now, right?
Yeah.
तो मेरे को वो जितना रॉ हो सके उतना रखता हूँ मैं.
हाँ रॉ रहेगा तो ही सही रहेगा.
Yeah,
like
and
ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट पकड़ा देगा.
That
तो
actually
फिर-
bothers a lot of people. Like if I say कि my podcast is like a hour long, so they are like 1 घंटे का कौन देखता है podcast? And I'm like, I do. I love
Podcast
it.
culture अभी उतना है नहीं I feel. है, but
है,
then
but
अभी
बहुत
it's
लोग
coming
देखते
up
हैं.
right now.
Right.
It's coming up right now. It's
So,
not.
we are also trying to hop on the bandwagon, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
but-
I mean, I had this like planned since like last 2 years and all. I want to do podcast only, and now we are
Finally.
first guest podcast.
Congratulations to all
Yeah.
of you. That's
Yeah, I mean, the idea becomes real, and that's it.
Yeah,
That for his like music also, it might be same.
yeah.
You have an idea and then you make something.
I mean, yeah. But like I said, I keep saying this a lot. कि I was not supposed to do this, man. वो बसेरा डाल दिया, वो चल गया था.
How
अरे,
it
ये तो कर सकते हैं हम. ये तो अच्छा चल रहा है.
You have that thing, like, see, I am again going to be a fanboy, but I feel I want to listen. I want to listen more of your music. It's like, I mean, it's a distinct thing, and I can't deny that because मैं नहीं सुनता किसी को like making music like you. Yeah, so even Sajan bin Bavri, the instruments it had in Piche, I think it was a Shehnai.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that Shehnai, it's a very
Processed Shehnai.
different, different thing. So वो आता है ना टा, that is very like I don't I have only seen that in like Ritviz, but not anyone else.
इनोसेंट प्यार में भी था वो
Innocent प्यार में.
और बीच में आई डोंट रिमेम्बर राइट नाउ कुछ तो था ना समथिंग ड्रॉप
It's me.
That-
It's me.
yeah.
That's my voice.
Yeah, that's his voice. Yeah.
That's literally me doing. Na. Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
I try to have this. I like my roots, man. I like I like the fact that I'm South Indian.
Yeah.
So thoda, I like to bring that into the Carnatic music touch. Thoda, even though I haven't learned Carnatic, but थोड़ा एक understanding होता है ना, थोड़ा जो भी सुनते हैं, जो भी consume करते हैं, उससे थोड़ा जो भी
Even
understanding
like
है.
making a fusion of that, ki like Karnataka and with India, I would say. Yeah,
sure.
so that fusion, it's not also that easy to do because sometimes the beats don't match. Sometimes the tunes are not made for that. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ki if you are able to do the impossible, it's great.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I'm
nahi
being a
kya
fanboy in this podcast, and it's just this is going to go as it is.
But you guys know, I mean, like I said, I wasn't supposed to do this, and when I started doing this, and after Basira started working out, I was like, चलो अभी मजा आ रहा है मेरे को. I want to do music full time, not full time, but like, you know, I want to make more music. And then when I started, like, you know, I got into the whole thing. You know, I started figuring out how music works and what other artists are doing. I started meeting other artists, and that's when I figured out कि music का game, ये business बहुत अलग है, bro. What we think about music is कि, you know, मैं जाऊँगा, गाने बनाऊंगा, डाल दूंगा, रातों रात फेमस हो जाऊंगा. और I mean,
Not, yeah.
I mean, if it's a good song, it will work out. That is what we feel, you know. But I feel now that I'm saying if it's a good song, it will work out. Every song has its own audience, उसका niche है. 100% sure. Whatever you're making, there will be at least one other guy who thinks exactly like you and will be like, oh wow, क्या बनाया.
Damn.
So वैसे होते हैं, and वैसे बहुत लोग होते हैं, मतलब हजारों में लोग होते हैं. Every single song I'm talking about, there is a niche, there is an audience. It's just about getting to that audience. You know, the whole game, the whole thing is about getting for everything, even for podcasts,
everything.
for everything.
हर
It
चीज
is
के लिए
like that.
audience है. Even like people who make village videos, they also have an audience.
Yeah,
वो लोग के भी
everything has an
millions में
audience.
रहते हैं bro.
Yeah,
subscribers.
people watch that. Even if they are like just playing with their baby or something, it's just
Bro, even ASMR.
it happens.
Every
ASMR.
Hey, come on, man. I like ASMR. I mean, I fuck with it, man.
Yeah, bro.
कभी कभी नींद नहीं आती, मैं लगा लेता हूँ. अच्छा लगता है यार.
कानों में ईयरफोन डाल के
What
सही लग
kind
रहा
of
है.
ASMRs do you listen to?
I don't like the eating stuff, man.
Yeah.
Mukbang is too much.
मैं वो खाने वाली देखता हूँ मोस्टली.
अच्छा.
He's a mukbang thing. Yeah.
I listen to a lot of triggers.
मतलब तू वो देख के सो.
You know.
हाँ?
नहीं मतलब
सॉरी.
So like
नहीं
yeah.
क्या.
नहीं मतलब तू वो ASMR सुन के सोता है like.
Sometimes मेरे को नींद नहीं आती तो मैं वो
Damn,
कैसे?
that's
It
weird.
works for me as well. man.
मतलब
Not
कोई-
now,
Now
but
like
it used to.
eating like someone is eating right beside
नहीं
you.
नहीं
कैसे
that's
exactly?
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, it's not mukbang, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the triggers and stuff, you know, like there are come on man, what am I doing on this?
It's not Aryan Shalvin anymore. It's just one of our bros.
Shavin talking about the guy who made Basira, yeah. Got ASMR on the podcast, man. You gotta watch this.
crazy.
But there is other stuff as well, you know, like when I don't know, man, like anything could be ASMR, like. There are
Like
actual
doing like
you
this,
should
this,
हाँ
this,
yeah those things
anything, yeah.
but उसका ही थोड़ा और complicated versions. There are actual tools and stuff, you know,
No.
to do stuff. There are weird noises that sometimes is very
No, yeah.
very nice to listen to, man. I'll just leave it there.
Yeah.
इसको और explain करूँगा तो it's weird.
It's just going to be like people are going to think Aryan Shalvin listens to ASMR.
I mean, I understand, man. Even
Yeah.
पहले जब मैंने
I mean, everyone has a thing. So I watch insect videos, ecosystem and stuff.
right.
So that the guy makes a cube box and all. उसमें
Oh
he
yeah,
puts-
I watched
yeah,
that as well.
so-
Ecosystems and
yeah,
stuff.
yeah. So he puts some insects and all, and I hate insects. The
Right.
worst part about it is,
Right.
but I still like to watch it because it's like very
I
natural.
love watching those ant videos. and
Ant
their
videos.
ants,
Are you
know,
talking
wo-
about Ant Canada?
I don't remember the channel name.
Is it like a guy
I
with a
used to- I
black
used to.
tank top?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I watch.
But it's like a fish tank kind of
yeah,
thing.
yeah, that's what.
and there-
Vivarium.
it's called it's called a vivarium.
Yeah,
I used to watch. Yeah, I used to watch that as well.
yeah.
It's fun, man.
Yeah, he like puts out like this ant had a fight with that ant. And it's so fun to watch.
Yeah.
It's
I mean,
just
I mean, we are from India, man. I mean,
Yeah.
we watch Indian soaps, you know. I mean, वही वो सीरियल वीरियल देखने वाले लोग हैं हम लोग तो मजा आता है भाई ये सब देखने वो आंट ने इसको मारा ये आंट ने
फिर
ये
उसके बाद
किया
100 साउंड इफेक्ट
मजा आता है
That's crazy, bro.
we want drama man we are Indians
Yeah, Big Boss के लिए एक audience है, bro. We want drama. Yeah.
I still don't
Would you ever go
oh will I ever go to
Big Boss? Yeah.
see I yeah
I can't
maybe
imagine Salman Khan yelling at him. He's like,
I won't be the right guy to go in Big Boss because मैं बहुत शांत हूँ like that.
Yeah.
You know? I'm very कुछ भी ठीक है खाना नहीं दोगे ठीक है
उन लोग का मीट हो रहा है वेयर इज आर्यन ही स्लीपिंग
हाँ मैं भाई
that's crazy.
बहुत
But
सोना चाहता हूँ मैं बहुत शांत रहना चाहता हूँ मैं I'm very peace
yeah, but people who like, there's a perception. I'm not saying that this is a fact or something, but there's a perception that people who go there, they just go there to revive their careers. And I don't think that because MC Stan went there and
Yeah.
he's like very
he grew
big.
he doubled
Very
बट
big,
उसके बाद
bro.
वो फिर गाने उसके कमाने लगे लाइक
Obviously,
पहले से
because he got
obviously.
mainstream now
Yeah.
I was talking to a friend's mom yesterday मतलब that sounds weird like I met that friend and then you know we were talking to her मतलब his mom and in that conversation she was telling us कि she also listens to MC Stan
Oh, what?
yeah
Damn.
yeah and I was like, that's what I'm trying to say मतलब everyone you know there are
There
all
are
sorts of
audience, yeah,
audiences
yeah, that's
for
what-
MC
Ah,
Stan I mean that is not something you would expect you know like a
I mean, it's not weird to listen to MC Stan. I listen to MC
obviously,
Stan,
obviously,
yeah.
even I listen to MC Stan. It's not that, but when you're thinking about people like your parents and all, you know,
Yeah.
that old, not that old, but you know that
I
that
mean,
age
bro,
group.
who are we kidding? They had songs like "Khada Hai." So how can we like MC Stan? See, I would say MC Stan is.
But can you imagine a proper aunt, मतलब you know,
auntie like,
Like
someone
that,
listening
like,
to-
बोलते हैं
That's
मम्मी
crazy.
चपाती बना
chapati or
रही है,
tadi bar, yeah, exactly. It's a very weird thing to imagine. you
That's
know?
crazy.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
yeah, but like Tadi Par was like a great album. मैं आज भी Tadi Par सुनता हूँ ना. It's like goosebumps. Because especially Amin, that song, उसका जब वो end वाला part आता है ना, where he's like just transcends into another
yeah,
dimension.
Yeah.
That's a great part. Like he has that musical knowledge कि उसको क्या बनाना, he knows मेरे को क्या बनाना and कौन सी audience में.
Way, it's about, which time you figure out, I don't know, it's not about which time, somehow you have to figure out, that is the
Yeah.
whole point of a music career, ki what your audience wants and what, you know, the essence of it, you know,
Yeah.
like, the sound of you, what is, how do you make yourself unique, वो figure out करने का वो जो, you know, path है. And people like MC Stan, people like Honey Singh, you know, बहुत पहले ही they have figured out these things.
Yeah.
And that is the best part about their
The
career.
best part about Honey Singh, Mafia Mundir was कि they figured out India में क्या gap है, what gap we have here and what we have to fill, and they filled that gap very nicely. They had like I still like remember when I was a kid and जब 4 bottle vodka आया था, I used to bang to that
बहुत
shit, bro.
सुना
I was like, this is the music.
True. Yeah.
But now वो bandwagon जो बना उस पे बहुत लोगों ने hop on किया. Now we have like art, like more people in that. Like every other guy wants to be a rapper now. Every other guy writes.
Yeah, I was doing this Google search and apparently, maybe I'm wrong now. I don't want to say it now. Maybe what if I'm wrong?
Why?
But what I remember is ki like first, second, or third. You know, like what is the career option that people want to choose in India? You know, the highest. Most people क्या करना चाहते हैं? तो yeah, it's a rapper.
Yeah, damn, that's crazy. Yeah,
I don't know if it's the first
मुझे भी
or
एक
he
time पे
writes
rapper
as well.
बनना
He
था.
writes as well.
Rolling
He wrote
hair,
as
right?
well. I was also trying some stuff.
You guys, someone raps.
कोई rap करता है?
नहीं, मेरा एक फ्रेंड था, उसने और मैंने हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया था कि हम लोग कोलैब करेंगे, रैप बनाएंगे. हम लोगों ने लिरिक्स भी लिख दिया था और हम
But
लोग ने
then-
डिसाइड भी
when
किया
they-
नहीं नहीं हम लोग ने
when
डिसाइड
they-
भी कर दिया था
It was like what shit man.
मैंने बनाया बट मेरा वो एक पहला था, मैं घर पे आता भाई इसने मेरे को बुली किया, आई जस्ट किल हिम।
अभी इसको
फिर वो
diss
डिस्ट्रैक्ट बना दिया मैंने पहला
Yeah,
पहला
every-
गाना
it
डिस्ट्रैक्ट।
starts with a distract obviously. It
हाँ मैंने
starts
भी
with a-
पहले
starts with a
डिस्ट्रैक्ट ही
distract.
लिखा
आई मीन अब इंडियन जो
I mean, India. Yeah, I want to like address this. I don't know why it might be me who feels this. Ki Indian DHH, I would say. DHH में everyone is so aggressive. Like they're just trying to. They're just dissing someone in that in their
Like,
songs.
हर एक गाने
Like
में
I'll
lines
I'll
है।
I'll name one. जैसे सीधे मौत का नान चाकू है. तो when like Kam says बोलो pencil पापा को कैसे करेगा cancel and that whole verse it goes like he's dissing someone but we don't know who he's actually pointing it to.
subliminal
मैं सब भाई वो हर एक इसमें
But
होता
if it
है।
is if it is subliminal फिर भी वो distract हो गया
हाँ,
ना.
exactly.
It's not a normal rap
बट
song.
ये तो ऑलमोस्ट हर एक गाने में रहता
हाँ
है
बिकॉज वो
I think वही है वो जो audience is
हाँ
consuming,
ऑडियंस को वही पसंद
what
है
they are consuming more is what they are giving
Again
more.
Indian audience wants drama. Yeah.
नहीं अभी
that's-
लाइक इसमें बीफ होता है लाइक एमवी और कृष्णा वो लोग का बीफ हुआ तो वो लोग की ऑडियंस एकदम ऐसे बढ़ गई थी
Yeah,
और अभी लाइक अभी अचानक से कम हो गया
I won't say that.
इतना भी नहीं हुआ बट स्टिल अभी उतने व्यूज
There's a partition between audience हमेशा
हाँ.
कि मैं इसको सुनता हूँ तो इसको सुनता है. So उनमें हमेशा झगड़े होते रहेंगे.
कमेंट सेक्शन में
But I think
अभी भी होता है वो तो
yeah even
बट
Kanye
वो
and
टाइम पे
Taylor
जब पीक
Swift-
पे था तब बहुत होता था लाइक
Okay. Like even Kanye and Taylor Swift का जब हुआ था, उनकी ऑडियंस बढ़ गई थी. They were good friends.
Yeah, I know
remember-
about it, but I just, were they putting out diss tracks and
No.
stuff? No, right?
I think
okay.
Kanye made that famous song, right?
हाँ,
This
oh,
many
yeah,
girls,
हाँ. With that weird ass music video.
Yeah, the wax statues of everyone being naked.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. I've seen that one. Yeah.
Donald Trump was in that
Yeah,
thing,
man,
bro.
Taylor
Taylor
Swift was
Swift
in
was
that.
there. Kim Kardashian
Kim
was there. Have you
Kardashian,
seen the
yeah.
video?
हाँ
नहीं,
हाँ
मैंने नहीं देखा
What are you doing?
नहीं
bro?
वो भी देखा है मेरे ही घर पे
I didn't even know how is it allowed, man? Like,
Yeah, I mean, I saw it for the first time and I was like, bro.
can you imagine the kind of power
Yeah.
that man has?
I mean, I
He can
believe.
put out stuff like that and be.
मैंने जब वीडियो देखा, I believe that they are the real people. How did he get them to do that?
मेरे को फेस किसी का समझ नहीं आया पहले।
But back statues थे, yeah. वो.
Back statues थे, yeah.
Oh.
मैंने जब फर्स्ट टाइम देखा
हिल
था
रहे थे वो.
हाँ
हाँ.
एक नहीं
But,
कोई-
okay,
वो
how
camera
can
से
you-
वो
वो वाला
लग
बोल
रहा
रहा है गेस देखा है मैंने
Yeah, all
बेड
of
पे
them
रहते हैं
yeah, yeah,
ना
हाँ,
ओके
ऐसे,
दिखा है
ऐसे,
दिखा है
ऐसे,
दिखा है
Yeah, तो
But
एक
I
ही
remember
ऐसा
वो हिलते हिलते.
हाँ मूव करते हैं गेस
Move करते
हैं।
हो.
VFX
Not
might be
fully,
there.
but कभी कभी.
VFX might be
करते हैं ना,
there.
move करते हो. हाँ.
Yeah, I don't know, like, cause वो video, I mean, how can he get Taylor Swift to be?
No, it's obviously not them.
Yeah.
But I mean,
Is
I
it
think it's
body
real people,
doubles?
body doubles, and then face को ये किया
Might be,
रहेगा.
might be. Who knows?
या फिर realistic masks or something. I
Yeah,
don't know.
that
It could
might
be anything.
that
Prosthetics.
might be. Yeah. that's-
आइडिया ब्रो वो कैसा
Not even. It's not even about the idea. It's about how
But
much control he
idea-
has over the industry.
हाँ, आइडिया क्या भाई मैं भी बैठ के सोच सकता हूँ इसमें. It's not that. It's not.
Yeah.
क्या है भाई थोड़े all the big people नंगे. all the big people नंगे.
मैं समझा ही नहीं पहले बिकॉज मैं मोस्टली वहाँ मैं अभी भी थोड़ा बहुत सुनने लगा हूँ बिकॉज डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प का फेस देखा
अबे
ये प्रेसिडेंट है मतलब
ये क्या कर रहा
सडनली
है?
मैं बोला पीयूष पीयूष डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प नंगा है बट
Donald Trump. That's
I mean,
crazy.
yeah.
Yeah, but that is really appreciative because itna control over. Even YouTube hasn't blocked that song for like nudity and all.
Exactly my point.
I mean, you
and none of those people can do. Do you think they actually care? Maybe they don't care. That's why they don't do anything. क्या पता?
Who knows? Like they have huge audience. Like Taylor Swift, if we say she has a huge female audience, and they love to listen to her at any like. वो कुछ भी बना दे at this point people are going to listen. Like with Kanye West.
Again, she
Lift
has-
Yourself सुना है Kanye West का? Scoop Diddy Whoop.
No.
नहीं? Okay, you might
I
have.
might have listened to it. I'm
Yeah,
not able to
अच्छा
recall.
Vultures में से वो तो सुना होगा ना Back to Me.
हाँ, हाँ,
उसमें
हाँ.
there's this thing.
He put story.
Just
I guess.
Sky.
Story
डाला था, हाँ.
Yeah, you did, yeah. So it's like Kanye West कुछ भी करता है at this point. People are
Why
going
the
to
issue?
listen.
Why तो the reason I it's not like I haven't listened to it. It's not very memorable. You know?
Yeah.
I don't remember these things a lot because it's not. maybe it's because I'm an Indian and I like to listen to that kind of music or something like that because my ear is trained like that or something. I don't know. But jo bhi hai, it's not very memorable usually for me. So, why I try to consume everything so that I'm aware of all sorts of noises.
Okay.
I think of it as noises. It's about having this unique sound, right? So
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what all can be done and
Okay.
then how I can inculcate it into my music. So actually, I keep listening to a lot of stuff.
Okay.
But yeah, in general, I don't have that kind of fun that I have. मतलब it's like biryani or Indian food खाने में जो मजा आता है वो
Yeah.
मजा उसमें नहीं आता kind of
Yeah,
feeling.
yeah, I get it.
Which is a very, I don't know, I don't think it's a very good way to, it's a very good thought process. I don't know if
But
it's a very
coming
good
back
thought
to his
process.
question, what did you listen when you were small?
Oh, like I said, I'm a South Indian, I'm a Mallu. I've listened to a
Yeah.
lot of Mallu music, a lot of Mallu music.
Okay.
And a lot of mainstream Bollywood music, and a little bit of Marathi.
Oh, damn. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Right,
All of us are Maharashtrians.
right.
Yeah.
A little bit of Maharashtrian music.
Which
and
one, like your any recalls, favorite one?
My mom used to मतलब जब मैं छोटा था तो मुझे सुलाने के लिए मम्मी वो गाना गाती थी वो निंबोनीच्या झाडावर
That's so
चंद्र
great.
झोपला ग
That's so
हाँ.
great. That's so great.
So yeah, I mean my mom was born in not born but brought up here in
Oh,
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
So that's the
Yeah.
that's the reason. But yeah, I've listened. Oh yeah, but my mom has a very mad taste in music because I used to listen to Enrique Iglesias and Akon and stuff like that because of my mom.
Oh, damn. That's
She used to listen to them, you know.
Akon and all
And
that.
yeah, so I got introduced to a lot of that music. So English music भी सुना है मैंने consume किया है of that era because of my mom.
Okay.
But yeah, basically my music taste is everything my mom likes at that point. मतलब फिर उसके बाद I evolved and started listening to what I like and stuff.
That's crazy. That's
Yeah.
crazy. On that note, will you sing?
Something.
What do you want to listen?
Anything like
I'll go for oh yeah, Basera. I'll go for
Basera.
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 Oh, also, when you were like doing a show in the college, our college, उस time पे you sung some like unreleased thing. Was it
It
something?
was Sajan bin Bavri.
Oh, it was Sajan bin Bavri.
Yeah.
Damn, मेरे को realize नहीं हुआ था.
It was Sajan bin Bavri, but Sajan bin Bavri's production is very different.
Then the whole thing.
The thing because I was singing it on a guitar, right?
Oh.
So it sounded very different to the original song, I guess.
Oh,
but the composition was similar, exactly the same.
Okay. Yeah.
But yeah,
Basera.
Basera.
Let's go.
Yes, let's do Basera. Okay.
Yeah.
But I would also like to say कि सजन बिन बावरी का एक और वर्जन निकालूंगा मैं, which will be like a D&B, you know, party club kind of
Oh
song.
damn. Is this should this go online?
Yeah. That's why I said it
Let's
before
go.
it started.
You, let's
You
go.
know, but
That
Sajan bin Bavri
announcement.
will
Yeah.
release again.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys want me to sing
Yeah.
Basira? Sure. हाथ थाम लो मेरा, साथ झूम लो मेरे, रात हो रही सवेरा, बात होठों पे ठहरे, घूमे भटके राहों में बिन तेरे सवालों में, खोया सारा हूँ क्यों मैं सदा, खोजे ढूंढे बाहों में टूटे फूटे वादों में, प्यार है कहा ये तू बता, बताओ ना, बताओ ना, मेरे आड़े तेड़े सवालों का जवाब हो न तुम, मेरे आड़े तेड़े सवालों का जवाब हो न तुम, हो हो दारे रा रे रा 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 हो दारे रा रे रा रा रा
Damn, bro. Damn, that was so good,
Goosebumps आ
bro.
गए मेरे को.
On that note, this has been Young Adults
With
Young
Aryan
adults.
with
Shaban.
Aryan Shabin.
Shabin.
Let's go. Yeah,
Clap karo.
Yes, let's for excitement.
let's go. Let's
Yes,
go.
Aryan Shabin, Aryan Shabin, Aryan Shabin.
I hope अभी शाम तक टेक्स्ट ना आए. Bro, we are fucked.
Let's
Yes.
go, bye.
Thank you for having us, man.
Bro,
Thank
it
you
was
for
fun
having me.
doing this with you, bro. It was damn fun.